Ooh. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Man, it feels good. It feels good to be back on this Monday. Whew, it felt like a long weekend, y'all. How was y'all Easter weekend, man? Let me know in the chat. How was y'all Easter weekend? I had a pretty good one. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But look, we about to go ahead and hop into these markets. Market opens up in 20 minutes. I am kind of late. I'm sorry. I said 8 o'clock. On my X account. Check me out on X. Follow me on X in the description box below, or just type it in. I said I come on at 8, and I'm like 11 minutes late. I've been looking for scriptures. Okay, I've been looking for scriptures. I've been looking for the one I wanted to share with y'all today. So let me see. Give me a second. Give me a second, y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm about to get into this trade pretty soon. Pretty soon. Pretty soon. Just give me 1 sec. Bam. Oh, there we go. All right. This morning's scripture is, look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, yet the heavenly Father feeds them. Aren't you much more valuable than they? Can any one of you, by worrying at a single can any of you worrying add an hour to your life? No, we cannot. No, we cannot, y'all. So when you're going through things and you're stressing out and you're worrying about things that just seem like it's out of your hands, give it to the Lord every single time. Give it to the man above. Okay? And also, one more thing, because I'm kind of late. And each time he said, my grace is all you need. My power works best in weakness. So now I am glad to boast about my weaknesses, so that the power of Christ can work through me. So remember this, y'all. So when you're feeling like you're weak, you at a weak spot, a weak point in your life, and you feel like things are just not working out. It's like I said in the last post, it's tough. Everything just seems hard. But this is when Christ's power works the best. This is when Christ takes broken things and makes it become new. So always remember, guys, when you give your life to Christ and you're going through things, give it to him. Take all your cares, all your worries, all your burdens, give it to him, and watch he work wonders in your life. And guess what? Remember this, his grace, just by his grace alone, is all you need to become better. So make sure you're giving your life to Christ. All right. Don't worry. Make sure that you don't have to worry about nothing, because everything is all you need. Because everything that you need in this world is God, and God is going to give you everything, all you need. All right. So let's look at this market, see what's going on, y'all. Should have got some water before I got on here. Let's see how this market looking like. So we are bouncing off this 30-minute fair value gap, coming down, coming to touch this low right here. We do have a 30-minute above our heads, a 30-minute supply zone. And market opens up in 15 more minutes. So like I said, y'all already know, I don't take a trade until like the first 2-3 minutes within the market to kind of see where the market's going, if it's breaking any highs, any lows. So we're going to wait until this market opens up. I don't want to get into any trades right now because we already extended a little bit. Definitely needed to hear that. Thank you. Chantel, you're welcome. Hey, make sure you're giving your life to Christ. Make sure that when you're worrying, remember, it's not yours. It's not yours to worry about. Give it to God. Don't even stress it out. Don't even worry about what you're going through. It's going to work itself out. You give it to him. Come on. Everything under the heavens, everything under the earth belongs to God. No matter if it's good or bad, it belongs to him, and he's going to deal with it. So make sure you give it to the Father above. Let him know what you're feeling. Talk to him. Let him know that if you're stressed out, if you're feeling like, who you funded with? I'm funded with a couple of I'm sorry, my mind went blank. I'm funded with a couple of prop firms, but Top Step right now, that's what I'm trading on. I blew my account. I blew my account, but I'm trading with a couple of them. So I'll be switching through different platforms and different accounts to trade with. But I'm about to get another Top Step funded account soon. But I love trading with Top Step. That's like my favorite. But I've been having I ain't gonna lie, I've been having a tough week. Even though I've been streaming a lot, I've been having a tough week. This market just been kind of playing with me a lot. So I'm just taking my time for right now. But for the most part, I got a couple accounts with Top Step, Apex, Tradeify. I have a couple of them. So we're going to just start switching through a bunch of them today if we can't get to them today. If not, then we'll get to them. But anyways, what's up, Ryan? All right, so pretty much we're just coming down. We bounced off this 30-minute fair value gap. We respected it perfectly. So I ain't gonna lie, we did. That's a nice respect. Definitely respecting the zone. We're gonna see if we're gonna continue to go down or we're gonna go back up to this 30-minute supply zone. We're gonna see. Like I said, I don't take a trade until market opens. See how long we got into these candles. We got 13 minutes into the 30-minute, 13 minutes into the 15, 2 minutes. Okay, so pretty much we pretty much in range. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen right here, y'all. We're gonna just wait. We're gonna be patient, wait on hands, and let the market opens up in like 13 more minutes, okay? See what we're gonna do right here. Play some music. My bad. I kind of got up a little late. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Rushing to get everything together. It's when you have kids. Be honest with y'all, when y'all have kids, it slows everything down kind of. So you definitely gotta like pour into your family first, and then the craft second. So let me know how y'all Easter is going. How did y'all Easter weekend go? Market opens up in a couple of more minutes. Take these off real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, let's go. Oh, hold on. Let me change my settings real quick. Okay, we are in slow. We are in slow motion. Okay. We are in slow motion. Oh yeah, also I wanted to remind y'all, look, we do have some liquidity at the bottom. As y'all can see, look at this. We probably tap into this today. We'll see. We'll tap into this liquidity at the bottom, at the lows. So we have a long range. Let me see how many ticks is that. It was a move, twin. How was your Easter, my guy? Hey man, my Easter was good, man. I pretty much hanged out with the family. You know, had the kids go outside and try to find some eggs, and it was fun, you know, really chill, we vibed a little bit, had fun, you know, nothing too crazy, but definitely had a good time. I can't even complain about that. But overall, y'all, I'm just happy that y'all even in the chat. That's thank God it's Monday, y'all. We have a whole brand new day. This day hasn't even started. Brand new day hasn't even started. We don't even know what's gonna happen in this day. Whole new day, we could come across some money. You know, you might get a new job. Might get you might have something new that's gonna just spark your mind into some whole different, different way of road. So definitely, guys, keep your eyes on God. Keep your eyes on God, because you never know what today may be in store for you. Always remember, don't worry about nothing. God got your back. Remember that, y'all. All right, let's see what this market doing. Let me look at it. So we got we have 10 more minutes left until this market opens, and we within this range. So we're gonna see if we're gonna come down. Let me see how many ticks. I said I was gonna see how many ticks this is. Let's see. Sorry, y'all, trying to get my thoughts together. Ooh, that's a good 800. Good 830. Ooh, I don't know. The reason why I'm thinking shorts, my bias today is shorts. Because I'm looking at this last green candle. We couldn't get past this block. I'm thinking we might start shooting down for some more liquidity. Look at all of this. Look at, man, all of this right here. And also, look, we also got liquidity above too. I want to show y'all on the 4 hour. Look at all this. Look at this gap. Y'all see this gap right here? We might bounce, come down, do some nice little bounce, somewhere in this range, and then shoot back up. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're gonna come down in this area right here sometime this week or sometime in the next following week right here. My prediction. Not set in stone. Come in this range right here. Bounce and go up for some more longs. Or maybe we might shoot down and break it. We're gonna see. That's just a prediction. That's what I'm expecting. Sometime this following week. A bounce within here. All right, let's see. Let's look back on this 4 hour. So my bias for the day is short. That's one. I like to drop down from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. We are in a 4 hour. We are breaking down on the 4 hour, but we do have some liquidity above, some imbalance above. Look at this. I'm gonna have to come up with a course. All right, look. Look at this imbalance above. Look at these wicks. That needs to be filled soon. Even across here. So we're gonna see about that. But we're focused on today is the direction. So my bias is really going down for the shorts. I'm looking for an entry for the shorts. And we're coming off this 30-minute supply zone and this 30-minute fair value gap. This might be a good opportunity to catch the shorts when market opens. We're gonna see, depending on which way we break. All right. So look, market opens up in 8 more minutes. Like I said, I don't take a trade until like the first couple of minutes. I don't like to wait 30 minutes until the market opens, unless it's like a choppy day. Unless I know it's choppy, the day is like super rangy. For sure, I'm definitely gonna sit on hands. But it doesn't look too rangy. We might see a push down. We'll know. We'll see. If we continue to respect this fair value gap or respect this 30-minute supply zone, we're going short. Ooh, let me change that. That's my prediction. We're going short. If we respect these zones, we're going short. If we break through these zones, we're going long. So if I see a break above this 30-minute, I'm going for the longs. If I see a break below this 30-minute, I'm going for the shorts. Pretty simple. I'm keeping it simple, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water. Be right back. I'm not gonna overthink these trades. Definitely gonna sit on hands. Oh, I gotta make sure I tell my chat. We live. We live. What am I doing? Market opens up in 6 more minutes, y'all. 6 more minutes. Put the link. And make sure y'all go follow me on X, because I'm about to set a link so y'all can come follow. Let's go. All right, let's... Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Let's go, y'all. All right, bet. All right, market opens up in 5 more minutes. Make sure y'all go follow me on X. Oh, right here. I'm tripping. I gotta start putting this hand up. Because, you know, look how much I'm, like, pointing right here. I need to start... There we go. See? Follow me on X. I'm about to come out with a course soon. Get y'all some evals. Get y'all some simulated accounts so y'all can get funded, okay? All right. Let's see what we're looking at. Look at the chat one more time. All right, y'all. Let's get it. 15-minute didn't break. Okay, that's cool. So we could be in range for a little bit. We're gonna see. Hey, man, welcome in, y'all. Welcome into the chat, man. Welcome in, y'all. Welcome to the stream. What's up, not paranoid? It's not paranoid. Welcome, man. Welcome. Hey, you sure you're not paranoid? Just making sure. You don't be having paranoia? All right, y'all. My bias for the day, like I said, I keep it simple. Like my trading style is simple. I like to keep it simple. I don't like to do overthinking. I don't like to over, you know, explain, add too many indicators. I try to keep it simple for you guys so you can see for what I do, and that's it. If it works, it works. If it don't, I guess it just don't. But like I said, my bias for the day is short. I started from the day. Market opens up in 4 more minutes. I see that we're pushing down. I see, look. So from pretty much from the last few days, we couldn't break. We rejected this zone right here. I want to show y'all. We rejected this area right here. Boom. We rejected this area right here. Boom. We came down. We're creating way more imbalance and liquidity right here. So we're going to have to fill that in. That's my thought on where we're going in direction. We came back up, closed. Came back up again, didn't pass, didn't break. Started. So you're seeing the buyers die out, and you're seeing the momentum of the sellers start to pick up. Same thing happens right here. Friday. We couldn't pass this block. Green candles, the buyers are selling out. I'm thinking short. The reason why I'm thinking short is because sellers are drying up and the sellers are starting to pick up. So that's what I'm thinking. The buyers are drying up and the sellers are starting to pick up. That's my bias. I'm thinking short. I'm keeping it simple. All right, drop it down to a 1 hour or a 30-minute. We have a 30-minute supply zone and a 30-minute fair value gap. Pretty simple concept that I like to follow. Supply and demand and fair value gaps. So we're going to see a market open in 3 more minutes. And like I said, I like to trade the first 3 minutes. I don't like to trade 30 minutes after unless the market is really rangy. Unless we don't have no clear direction. All right. Let's go. See, we in range. Look at these wicks. No clear direction. It's Monday. And also, don't forget the most important part. News. You can't forget news. Always check news. Come on. I'm not that smart. I'm not. Oh, yeah. So it's a bank holiday. So we may not have no type of momentum at all. Huh. Today may be a really sideways day, guys. It might be a scalpy day. It might be today might be today might just be a range bound day. We're gonna see. What do y'all think? Y'all think today gonna be range bound? I don't really see no news to push or drive the market today. We are like bouncing up and down. Let's see how many wicks this is. Boom. How many ticks this is. And we're really moving up 90. So we're moving like 30 points up and down. Not paranoid. See if we can catch us a move. Add another beam bop down. All right, so even on the 1 hour, also on the 1 hour, we broke this area right here. We break a structure. I'm gonna put this right here so y'all can see. 1 hour BOS. 1 hour break a structure. Make it white so y'all can really see it. All right, so we do have a 1 hour break a structure. Look for retracement, a retest, and maybe look for a long. Look for a short, not a long. My bad. But we also didn't break on a 4 hour. So we could push higher. Hey, like I said, we could push higher. If it breaks above this 30-minute, I'm going long. If it stays below this 30-minute, I'm going short. That's just my bias for the day. I see this block. It's like setting the pillar on which way direction the market may go, and I'm taking it. That's how I'm just keeping it simple. I'm not even gonna overthink these trades. Especially now on a bank holiday. Nah, man. All right, market open, and we don't have no volume. Literally none. We'll see. Yeah, it's pretty. We do. It's picking up. Wait a minute. Am I hardwired? I am hardwired. I am. Oh well. Don't get paranoid now. Yeah. Hey, honestly, I forgot. I just realized I'm on Wi-Fi. Oh well, you know what? It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We gonna just work it out. I'm on Wi-Fi right now. So I was wondering why my stuff was laggy. When you hardwire, it makes everything run so smoothly. But I think I'm on Wi-Fi, and if I switch, I feel like it's gonna cut the stream. Don't get paranoid. Nah. Hey, I can't. Hey, I don't need to be getting paranoid. Hey, the reason why we don't need to be getting paranoid is because look, we have Jesus right now, y'all. We have the Lord. Make sure you give your worries to God. Don't be worrying. I need to tell myself that I'm a big victim of like worrying sometimes or stressing out. So I gotta definitely give it to the Lord. And even though I'm preaching the word, guys, I gotta humble myself and give it to Him, because I have times when I'm stressed out, worrying, and just losing my mind and going through a circle. So definitely don't be worrying. Give it to God, because worrying is not gonna add nothing to your life. And also remember, when you're weak, His power works best through weakness. Okay? That's when Christ's power works the best, through the weakness. So make sure that you're giving it to God. He gonna make you strong. Let's get it. All right, we pushing up, y'all. Let me look at a 15-minute. All right, we're on a 15-minute, 30-minute, and y'all can see on the back what time frame I'm in. Every time I switch, y'all can see the time frame I'm in. Like, you see it right here? So you know I'm not like, what time frame you in? You can see it right there. All right, let's see what we're gonna do at this 30 minutes. So we tapping into this 30-minute. Let's see if we're gonna get any respect. If we're gonna respect this area. What are we doing? All right. Dang, I should have went on hardwire. Man, if I switch over, it's over with. Stream cut. All right, we're pushing into this 30-minute. So we building up. Hold up. Don't get paranoid. Yo, that's funny. All right, so we 4 minutes in this market. I'm just waiting for a clear setup to go take the shorts or take the long. I seen the rejection. We already broke a structure on the 1 hour, but we didn't break a structure on the 4 hour. That's pretty alarming. But I do have a bias of the shorts. But if we don't respect the shorts, I'm gonna go long above this 30-minute fair value gap. For me to go long, I gotta see respect above this 30. And then I'll go long. Let me see. Hey, I might take a short. I'm gonna take one scalp short. I mean, actually 2 micro short. 2 micro short. With a stop above this 30-minute. With a stop above this 30-minute. That's what we're doing. And we are breaking above this 30-minute fair value gap. We are respecting this 30-minute fair, but I don't see respect. Okay. Okay. What we doing? I'm gauging the market with 2 micros. Gauging the market with 2 micros. We're not gonna get paranoid. We're not gonna get paranoid, okay? Make sure we relax. Keep my stop above this 30-minute. Loving that respect. Come on. If we could break down, and we do got a 5-minute right here. I want to see I want to see a breakthrough. I want to see a clear breakthrough underneath this fair value gap on the 5-minute. I'm gonna put it 5-minute. If we don't break this, I'm gonna just take my profits. I don't want to see a bounce and then retrace 30 points. Then you know what I'm saying? Have you in a minute, my boy? Have you in a minute, my boy? Have you been? Run it back, Turbo. I've been good, man. I'm not gonna lie, I've been good. Going through a lot of life changes, but I've been great, man. How you been? Yeah, I haven't been on here for a while, but I trade now. That's what we do. All right, man. Look, this trade is doing great. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. All right, we up 139. I'm gonna still hold it. There we go. Gotta go, but I'll be back to learn from you. Gotta see you, yo, Quasi. I used to watch your videos with your girlfriend years ago. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. All right, man. Have a good day. Take it easy. All right, we up 180 on this trade, man. Look, good trade. All right, I'm about to put my stop at break even. We break even this. Beautiful trade. Hey, let's go. We break it even. All right, let's hold it. We're going for that liquidity. I'm going for the liquidity at the bottom. I'm gonna have to come out with a course for sure. Hey, that's what's up, man. It's good to hear you been good, bro. Glad to hear that. All right, so let's see. Are we breaking this 5 minute? Let's see. A lot of retests. I want to hold this trade. I don't want to. I like scalping sometimes, but this could be a scalping market. To be honest with y'all, this could be a scalping market. Let's see what it does at this 5 minute. I gotta see what happens at this 5 minute. That's going to determine if I want to get out this market, out this trade, or stay within this trade. I should have went in full contracts, knowing if that rejection was perfect. All right, look at that. We were tracing back into this 5 minute. Man, we were shot back up. We were tracing back into this 5 minute. Now we're rejecting it. We didn't really break, but we're gonna see. All right, let's go. We're gonna sit into this trade. I'm liking this for the shorts. Let's go. Let's go. Look at some different time frames to see if we're respecting it. Get some clear direction. All right. All right. Let's go. We doing good, man. Hey, I'm proud. Hey, on bank holiday, hey, can't even be mad at it. Hey, who don't want to be up 200 in what? 10 minutes? Come on, man. Let's go. All right, so this is a risk-free trade. I'm not taking no partials. I'm not taking no partials just yet, but this is a risk-free trade, y'all. A risk-free trade. We have our stop at break even. We up 239. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let's go. Let me change this song, man. What we doing? I want to see how this 5 minute close. If we close below this 5 minute, we're good. If we don't, yeah, I might get up out of this. Look at that. Look at that retest. My goodness. We are. How many seconds? 5 seconds left into this 5 minute. When did you start trading? It's so random. Wait, so when did you start trading? It's so random. I used to watch you before you disappeared. Now we doing the same thing. Hey. I don't know, man. Hey, I started like oh man, we pushing back up. Please respect this 5 minute fair value gap. Please respect it. We broke the 5 minute zone. I started trading 2.5 years ago. I didn't start streaming until now, but I was learning this trade for 2 years, bro. 2 years I've been learning the trade. I should have took partials. We're gonna see right here. We're gonna hold. If we do get a retest, I might add into some more. Cause I'm liking it still for the shorts. I'm trying to look at a high time frame to see if it's a fake out. This might be a fake out. Yeah, I started trading 2.5 years ago. What you doing? Get some shoes? Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, we coming down. We're respecting that 5 minute fair value gap. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, I'm gonna have to come out with a I'm gonna have to come out with a course, man. Like real talk. Like I said, I kept the trade simple. I gotta see a respect. I don't want to see a pop. I think I'm around the same. Started September 2022. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up, bro. Oh,
I'm sorry, you in for the longs or the shorts?
shorts. But we had a key level right now.
That look like it's gonna tank.
She already knows. Like she knows it's gonna tank.
It does.
Huh? How you know?
But dang, it's
It's sideways, yeah, because we're bouncing between zones. See, we already all right. So we might respect. See how this 1 hour? We had a 1 hour break of structure right here. Boom, 1 hour break of structure. But I'm thinking that since it's a bank holiday, we might move sideways. So I might just take partials. But also, oh, we are breaking down. Let's see. We also, I'm gonna see if we respect this 5 minute fair value gap. We might can come back down and continue to. You think it's going down? We'll see.
So.
We'll see. She thinks it's going. She trades too. No, she don't. She don't trade. I mean, you know what? She can. She just don't. She doesn't have no interest in it. But she could. Like she sees it. I be showing her like the supplies. Just simple supply and demand and reporting resistance too. But she don't really trade at all, y'all. But yeah, look, we ranging. I already knew we range bounding. You know what? If we continue to not break, if we don't break, look, I'm gonna put my stop right here. I'm gonna just shorten it down right here. Boom. I'm gonna take partials right here. I'm gonna take partials right here. I'm gonna do 1 limit order, limit sell. Boom. Right above. I want to see this coming down. Just straight disrespect this 5 minute. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. In the trade. Let's get it. Man, you already know how it go, y'all. Hey, this is the thing about trading. When you in a trade and it's going well, you wish you would have added more. When you in a trade and it's going wrong, you wish you would have added less. I'm telling you, that's always seemed like the rule of thumb every time. But we are range bound. I can tell. We're ping ponging between zones. And then there's literally no true volume in this market. But I'm thinking I might take partial. I'm gonna take partial. That's what I'm gonna do. Unless we pop. Man, this is, see, I'm on Wi-Fi. So if it's lagging, I'm on Wi-Fi. It's lagging right now. So if it's lagging, my bad, y'all. I am hardwired, but for some reason my computer switched to Wi-Fi. I don't know why though. I don't know why my computer switched to Wi-Fi. That's crazy. All right, I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna take one out. I can't even see my limit sell. All right, we out of 1. We up 130 on this one. I don't like how the buyers are kind of drying up at this point. This is a real key level. Let's see. We're gonna see. Are we gonna just keep continuing to break this 5 minute? Man, I like these shorts. I ain't gonna lie. What we doing? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna hold this trade. And my take profit is at these lows right here. My take profit is at 17,920. And my entry was at 18,140. Fair enough, that's cool. Why you start streaming? You enjoy trading under pressure or something? Yes, sir. Love that pressure, boy. God, love that pressure, man. Love it. Man, just throw me in the water. Just throw me in there. Throw me in there with the sharks, man. I'm telling you, bro, I had so many funded accounts, man. Gotta believe in your trade. Believe in your trade. Don't be scared to lose money. Continue to stream, my brother. Hey, that's what's up, man. I appreciate the love and support, y'all. I mean, we are breaking down. We are coming down off this 5 minute. We grinding slower though. We really just grinding down, like just slowly. Grinding. Come on, let's see a break. I'm looking at a higher time frame to get kind of some yeah. If anybody can see on this far what's happening, you know what's about to happen. On a bank holiday too? No news? Too. Yo. All right, we got 13 minutes into this 30-minute prints. We have, but we didn't print past this on the 15-minute. I hope we don't have no crazy retracement. Hey, how your Starry, how your trading journey been, man? Let me know in the on chat. How's your trading journey? How far have you came along, you know? Like, are you doing really good? Are you part of like some Discord? Do you have your like, you know, let me know. Are we just gonna hold this trade? I might just, man, we're gonna hold this trade. Put it on a 15-minute, because it's actually 15-minute. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the 15 minutes is literally like my favorite time frame. It's something about it. 15-minute can literally determine, 15-minute can determine consolidation. It literally can tell you which way the market may go. It's like that perfect middle time frame between the daily and the 1 minute. That 15-minute is like man, it's perfect. Perfect. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're coming down. We're coming down. But I don't like how this 15-minute, the 15-minute candle did. The 15-minute did come below this block, but we didn't have a break of structure. But we are below this this liquidity level, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I just need to see a full break. If we don't get a break, we might just come back up. And you already know Nasdaq is willing to do that too. Nasdaq will literally come back up 100 points on you, just because. Just because. Well, even though we started learning around the same time, I'm still yet to get funded. I trade Forex instead of futures. That's the only difference. It's just when I started and stuck with it. Huh. Hey, man. Hey, that's what's up, man. I really respect that. I respect the honesty. Hey, I'm going to tell you, to be honest with you, I don't think the hardest part is not getting funded. The hardest part is really, is when you're up like $100 or $300 or $1,000, taking your profits and going. I really believe anybody can push this button. Like, I can literally push this button maybe 10 times and see, oh, $100. Even look, here's the thing. Look what I said. What did I say? What did I say? Nasdaq would literally shoot up on you. So you see that the sellers dried up and the sellers just came in. I mean, you see that the sellers dried up and the buyers just came in. Nasdaq would literally kick you out this market in a heartbeat. Nasdaq does what it wants, y'all. It has no rules. But I'm gonna stick to my plan. Here's the thing I've kind of picked up from the trading thing. I mean, I could be right or wrong, but one thing I've noticed is that with trading, which one is more important, execution or strategy? You can have the best strategy, the best strategy ever, right? But if your execution ain't there, that strategy ain't worth nothing in trading. You can have the best strategy, you can have the best supply and demand, support resistance, break of structure, retest, anything, you know, order flow. You can have the best setup, right? But if your execution ain't there, you have no trade. You know, you're only as good as your last trade. My brother, I pray for the best success in trading for you. I pray that you have the best success. I pray that you break over these barriers, these learning curves, and that you become excellent and excel in trading, bro. I pray that over you in Jesus' name. Trading can be tough. Trading can have a lot of load on your mind. But I pray for blessings over y'all. I pray that y'all trading journey is plentiful and full of succeeding joy, you know. I pray that y'all have the best. I really do, y'all. This world today is so struggling. It's so stressful. All right, so we did pop back up, had a nice retest. And look what happened. We came back into this 5-minute fair value gap and rejected it again. Man, I could have added more in this spot too. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Look at that. We also rejecting this 5-minute block. Hey, that's why we hold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring, that's not that's a glitch. Hey, y'all see that glitch? Y'all see this glitch right here? It says I'm break even, but it says 2 contracts when I only got 1 contract left. That's not right. I'm gonna tell Topstep to fix that. Wait a minute. All right, so I'm gonna take my break even and break it down to the profits for $20. You know what? Yeah, $30. All right, so I have it above this high right here, above this 5 minute fair value gap. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm a little wonky when I talk. Cause it's like I ain't gonna lie, streaming is hard and talking at the same time while you're trading, it can get a little tricky, but we got it. We're gonna get comfortable. Hey, you welcome, man. You welcome, man. I really do. I pray that you're just blessed beyond measure, man. I really mean it. Really mean it. Smart. This economy today is so hard, man. It's hard for people. People are struggling. People are trying to figure out a new way out. People are really trapped, and they don't even know how to get out. This is why I'm here to spread that love. Hey, this is why we're here. Even if you're going through something, even if you're not going through, even if you live in the best life, remember, through any weakness, each time he said, Lord Jesus said, my grace is all you need. My power works best in weakness. My power works best in weakness. So now I am glad to boast about my weaknesses, about my stress, my worries, my anger. I'm glad to boast about it so that the power of Christ can work through you and deliver you and make you a new creation. Every time, y'all. God is good at making broken things. God is good at making broken things and taking broken things and creating it new. God does a great thing at that. He's good at that. Remember that his grace works best in weakness. No, his grace is all you need, and his power works best in weakness. So remember that, y'all. Facts, facts. Yes, sir. And also, look at the birds of the sky. All right? They do not sow or reap. They don't even store away in barns, okay? Even in their due season, they don't even store away stuff, but they Heavenly Father feeds them every time. Are you not much more valuable than they? Can any of you add a single hour to your life by worrying? No, you cannot. Give it to God every time. Always give it to the Lord. Man, I love this, man. I'm gonna have to start spreading that word more, man. I love it. I love it. I want to see people do good, man. What a Monday. We doing good on this trade. Look at this. Really doing good. And we just holding it. Let me go to a 15 minute. My favorite time zone. Rejection. Rejection. Look at that. Smart money right there. Beam bop bam. Smart money right there. SMT. Smart money trade. Rejection. It's rejecting. And you're like, why? What does that mean? Look at these blocks. Look at it in the 15 minute. It doesn't want to go longer. But these wicks are telling me, hey, it's rejecting. It wants to go shorter. And also this red candle right here. Oh, that's a strong red candle, but and it's overpowering this green. That's engulfing. Drop down to a 5 minute. Look at this rejection off this 5 minute fair value gap. That's a short. We keeping it simple, y'all. We making money. Money should not be hard to make. Let's get it. Let's get it. On a no news day? Man. Pat ourselves on the back. Let's go. Like I said, my take profit is at 922. I gotta post on text. Make sure y'all follow me on X. Follow me on X. Follow me on X. If you could do that for me, please follow me on X. All right, I'm gonna post this stuff on. Man, we doing this in a Wi-Fi market, man. Come on, man. All right, give me a second, y'all. I'm just trying to set these points. All right, let me see. Hold on, let me get a screenshot of this. them shorts looking good. Y'all see them shorts, man? Let's go. let me do this real quick. Do this again. All right, I had to say that for my Twitter. My bad. I had to say that. Y'all like, what is this boy doing? Dude, weird. Boy's a weirdo. He over here smiling in the camera. Let's go. Let me go ahead and send that. And we up 220, y'all. We up 220. Actually, we up more than that. We up 300. 330. Shout out to y'all and everybody in the chat, man. Loving the support and love. The 9 people that's in here, love y'all, man. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for the love. Y'all here for one reason only. One reason only, to make some money. No more playing around. Real simple console. Look at this. Simple, man. Simple. Off of 1 micro. 1 micro. 1 micros. 1 micro. I'm coming for this. I'm coming for this point. I'm coming for you. You right there? I'm coming for you. I want you. Man, these shorts coming in beautifully. Hold up. Do it one more time. Hey, man. Let's go. Let's go. Hold on, let me do this again. Hold up. You know I gotta make the picture right for Twitter. I got to. I mean, not Twitter, X. My bad. We don't do Twitter no more. It's hard not to say. I gotta get used to saying X. X. It almost feel like I'm saying something I ain't supposed to. Alright. Damn, we all pushing down. Big old candle. Who caught that short, yo? Let me see who caught that short. Let's go. Let's go, man. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Keep breaking. You know what? Hey, I have a point where I want to get out at, but we're going to keep breaking. Man, that candle is engulfing. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Let me send this picture real quick, y'all. Give me 1 second. Y'all. Change the song, too. Listen to that like 30 times. 30 times. Give me 1 second. Let me send this email. How do you compose an email on this thing? Wait a minute. Man, Gmail be tripping. How do I compose? What do I? Oh, there it is. There it is. I just had to open the tab. How do I find screenshots? Man, these computers be hard to touch. Let's go. Give me a second, y'all. I'm about to screenshot this and send this on X. Screenshots. I kept the tray simple. I'm gonna explain what I did. I kept the tray simple. I didn't overthink it. Overthinking it would have, man. Good thing I didn't overthink this trade. Remember, it's not about making money. I find more happiness in finding a good trade. So serious. It wasn't even about it being a, man. Man, it's not even about the money, bro. It's like, it just shows when you do all that, when you did a lot of studying, day and night studying, and the strategy and execution is working out, it really pays off, man. That's the best part, is knowing that your hard work pays off. That's only 2 micros. That's all it is, really just 2 micros. Man, I don't even care if I made 30,000. It don't even matter, man. I'm just thankful that trade was textbook, literally textbook, y'all. Textbook. And we going for them lows. I want to see that. I want to see it literally tap that limit order, and we out. We out of there, coach. Straight out of there. What's up, man? Hey, man, shout out to the chat. Shout out to everybody that's in the chat, man. Put W's in the chat. Anybody can put a W. Put a W, man. Please. I want to give it all to God, because he makes all this clear for me. Gotta give it to the Lord, man. He the one that make this happen. Every time. Every time. Yo, I've been a fan for a hot minute. God bless you. JKT, God bless you too, brother. God bless you too. God bless you, bro. W, hey, for sure, man. For real. Gotta put them W's, y'all. We out here for a reason. We out here to change our lives. Y'all hear what she's saying? Hold up. Do I have to play this off for y'all? Y'all hear what she's saying? Let me play this back. Hold on. What she said? Hold on. Listen to what she's saying, y'all. She says it right here on this jazzy song.
At one point in the early years in Paris, when he was feeling extremely discouraged, he was just getting nowhere. He went to see Picasso, and Picasso said, "Get in line, wait your turn, just pretend you're waiting for the subway." It's inevitable that you will meet a failure, or 2, or 3, or 4. At the same time, the art itself, the product of that obsession, that obsessive kind of way of working, is the paradigm for all that is free and spontaneous.
You can fail 1 to 20 times But it's that obsession. It's that obsession that gonna get you there. It's that obsession, yo. Look at it. We're breaking down, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. We making it. Let's get it. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Good trade. Come on, screen. Let me record. Let me record this. All right, there we go. Man, God bless y'all, man. Let's go. Reality itself. It's more surreal than reality itself. Obsession. I'm telling you, obsession with, man, it'll bring you some places. So when it's funny because when I see people in the chat be like, yo, I didn't watch you in so long. And you used to do all kind of, I used to watch you back in the day. Now all of a sudden you're doing what I'm doing. Like, how is this? Man, I'm just obsessed with success, man. I'm obsessed with success. I should put that, hey, I'm going to put that in a banner in the back somewhere. Obsessed with success. That's crazy. That's a little corny, but that's crazy. My favorite video is when you did the prank that you was joining the army. You funny. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, man, look. Are we going to hold this trade? It's so extended. Oh, my goodness. Yes, we are going to hold this trade. That's the reason why I'm in this trade. I'm not going to get out of it. I'm not going to break my rules. I've created this plan to follow the plan. Unless you like getting out. I mean, it's okay to get out. I mean, I ain't going to say it's not okay to get out, but you can get out. But always follow your plan. Always follow your plan. Always follow your plan. Don't deviate from your plan. Unless you have to like reroute or something. I don't know. Let's go, y'all, man. Let's go. Man, play that. Man, play that back. I'm gonna have to play that back. That's a good one. She said, wait. She said she was talking. They had Picasso. No, what was it? What was it? What she said? I think she said that. I gotta hear her say it again. I just be playing random jazz.
At one point in the early years in Paris, when he was feeling extremely discouraged, he was just getting nowhere. He went to see Picasso, and Picasso said, "Get in line, wait your turn. Just pretend you're waiting for the subway."
They had a guy that was discouraged because he felt like he wasn't getting nowhere. The guy was feeling discouraged because he felt like he was getting nowhere, right? He felt like he was getting nowhere. But Picasso told him to get in line and wait your turn like you're waiting for the subway. Hey, man, obsession, it will get you some crazy places. Do you game? You my childhood, bro. That's crazy. But hey, I'm your childhood, but I'm never your idol. Remember, hey, I gotta set this right. Every time I'm setting this right. I'm not your idol, but Jesus is. I'm not your idol. Give it to him, everything. I'm never your idol. I'm just a guy on the screen every time. And I don't game no more. I haven't gamed in a while, man. I just been focused. I've been just putting my focus on this. I haven't touched the game in like forever. Like if I do, I might play with like my family. Other than that, I don't own the game. I'm just too locked in, bro. Too in it. It's too real, so real than reality itself. No matter what it is in life that you want, you can have. You can have. Serious, you can have. I did not say Siri. Yo, you're listening too hard. Let's see, are we retesting? Are we done? Are the sellers drying out? Are the sellers drying out? Let's see. Are we still coming back down for that liquidity? I'm still gonna hold. I'm still gonna hold. We got in right here. I'm holding. I want to see this get tapped. Nah. I'm gonna take out. I'm taking out. I'm taking out. I'm taking out. I'm taking out. We up 473 on the day. I'm gonna have to put some like clapping hands like sounds. We up 473. 473 on the day. Let's go. I'm sorry if that phone was loud. If I put that phone to the screen to y'all and it was loud, I am so sorry. Forgive me. I can't hear too. Let's go. Give me 1 second, y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm coming. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, like the stream. Like it up. Like it up. Like the stream. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Give me 1 second, y'all. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to post this picture on X. Add it, yo. Let's go. Let's go, man. We up. All right, I'm back. I'm sorry for taking away my time from y'all. Y'all more important, okay? My bad. Let's change this song, man. I've been hearing this thing like a million times. Let's go. Let's go. I better break it down. I should have held that trick. Hey, you know what? I'm happy. The strategy worked out. And guess what else? We executed. Hey, we executed. And not only did the strategy sit up here, we produced it. Okay? We put it on the screen. We put it on the screen. Not the stream. The stream and the screen. Man, I'm just happy that y'all ain't even in the chat, man. Shout out to y'all. I'm a beginner YouTuber. Are you going to do pranks again, or is that something you? Wait, let me see. Are you going to do pranks again, or is that something you want to put past you and start something new? Okay, I do. I wouldn't mind doing pranks again. I just got tired of coming up with ideas to kind of come up with a prank. It just got kind of played out, you know. I didn't want to do pranks for the next 10 years. Like, when do you stop? You know, when do you stop doing these things? And also saying, hey fans, I'm done doing this. I'm gonna do something else. Sometimes you just gotta just hop into it. And you say you a beginner YouTuber? Hey, that's cool. That's dope. Hey, shout out to GKT. GKT Network. Shout out to him. He was a beginner YouTuber, y'all. Go give him some love, show him some support. Go give him a follow. Go check him out, y'all. And I pray the Lord Jesus that one day that you become a successful YouTuber. I pray that whatever you put your hands and your mind to, I pray that you're blessed in that direction, brother. I pray that God gives you clarity, God gives you understanding, God gives you discernment, God gives you wisdom. I pray that you're blessed with all of those blessings, and I pray that He's with you through the whole journey. In your holy name, I pray, Lord Jesus. Amen. I pray. Yeah. Let's do it. Oh man, I should have held. Of course it was gonna tap my the money sign. Of course it was gonna tap it. Of course. Look at it. We tapping. I was supposed to take right here. Why'd I get out? See what happens when you don't follow your trade? What happens? You see what happens? What I was supposed to get out right here, right? In this little spot right here, right? And guess what happened? I didn't follow my trade. I got out, got my profits, but I didn't follow my trade. I'm stuck on the trade itself. If I would have just followed my trade, look how, man, it's about to hit it. That would have been my extra $100. And there we go. We pop. Anyways, hey, we had a good trade. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I enjoyed it. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. A good, really good trade. But let's see. We are breaking down. Man, that was a good short. Good short, good short. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I might switch to another account. I ain't lying. I'm not lying to y'all. I might switch to another account. Might have to do it. Might just have to do it. Why the lighting look like this? Hold up, let me change this. Okay. Put on the green because we in the green right now. Cause we in the money. Hey, might as well. We in the green. I don't know, it's a little greeny green. It's like grainy. Oh, that ain't it, coach. There we go. Hold up, let me see. No. Alright, there we go. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Green for being in the green. Damn, I haven't heard or seen you in a minute. Long. I hope you when you say long, I hope you in the longs. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a minute. I don't know if I don't know if I've ever seen you at all. But yeah, man, I'm back. I got the light green because we in the green right now, y'all. So, hey, shout out to everybody in the chat. Man, where the music at? Hold up. What happened? Don't do this, please. Come on, play my music. Play the jazzy. Hey, all right, y'all. So we did take this trade. Let me see if I can show you the execution. Give me a second. Let me go back. I gotta show y'all the execution. Execution, execution, execution. Show execution. Bing, bop, bam. You wouldn't understand. All right. Show my execution. Here we are. So I took 2 micros. As y'all can see, I took 2 micros off this candle right here. Go down to a 5-minute. We took the short. I got out of 1 right here. So we took the short off the 30-minute. 30-minute? Yeah, we took the short off the 30-minute supply zone. 30-minute supply zone. We took the short off the 30-minute supply zone. I got out of one micro right here with 1 runner left. And we held this runner all the way down to this point, which I could have held right here just for a little extra squeeze, but I got impatient. But yeah, we took 1 trade. Actually, we took 2 trades. 2 trades. 2 trades. 2 trades or 1 trade? No, 1 trade. We took 1 trade. We took 1 trade, bro. 1 trade the whole time. That's crazy. Amazing. Thank you, man. You are a real one. Keep up the good work. Thank you for everything you made my life so much better with the viz. You out here, you are my top YouTuber. God bless you and the family. Thank you. God bless you too, brother. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you, thank you. Hey, so we did take 1 trade. Just 1 trade off this 30-minute supply zone. I thought the shorts were gonna come in. So let me break down everything. Let me break it all the way down to why I got into this trade. I'm about to come out the course. I really have to. Because a lot of YouTubers, a lot of traders do make this stuff overcomplicated. Really do. You don't have to make trading overcomplicated. Ain't nobody a guru. Ain't nobody the best, okay? Let's see. That's old. They got too many. Let me take off these. Let me take off all of this. That's old. All of these entries and exits. Hold on, y'all. Give me 1 second. Let me take the executions off. It's just too many of them. Give me 1 second. Why did we get into this trade? And how we caught the loans? Look on X. I posted the screenshot. Or you can go back on the video and look in the stream to see when I took the trade. But also follow me on X. Follow me on X. Please, please, please. I love that. X is where it's at for me. All right, so I took the short right here. 2 micros. 2 micros right there, okay? For everybody that's in the chat, y'all saw it. So you know I'm not capping. 2 micros off this 30-minute supply. 30-minute supply. So what I did was I go from a daily. I start from the daily. As y'all can see, it is the daily, okay? All right. We came down on the daily. We came down. We popped up. We respected this block. We shot down. We created way more liquidity within this imbalance, okay? We came back up. The buyers couldn't buy up more. We came back up again on the next day. The buyers couldn't break this block. Okay, so the buyers starting to dry up. As y'all can see right here, buyers are drying up. Next day, sellers are picking up. Next day, buyers are drying up. They can't pass this block. Today is this block, okay? I'm keeping it simple. Down to a 4-hour. Breaking down to a 4-hour so y'all can see how I got into this trade. Okay. We have resting liquidity down here. As y'all can see, we have liquidity resting down here. I need to get this bag. It's right here. I should put a bag emoji right here. Hold on, let me put a bag emoji. Let me get a bag emoji in here. Let's see. Where are the emojis at? Man, my eyes are. I gotta get my eyes checked. Alright, give me a second. Let me type in baggy. Dang, my computer is laggy. It's yo, no pun intended. No pun intended. No pun intended. Please. There's no bag emoji on here. I can't even type on here. Yo, this. Come on, Top Step, man. Y'all gotta put a key in here. Hold up. How do I look for a bag emoji? I'm looking. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. I'm looking for the bag. Give me a second. I'm looking for the bag. Where's the bag at? Where's the money sign? No money sign on here? Bruh. Y'all telling me they ain't got no money sign on here? I got animals but no money sign? Anyways, alright, whatever. Anyways, forget it. Alright, back what's more important. Like I said, I looked at the daily, my bias was short. On the daily time frame, my bias was short. I worked myself from the daily all the way down to the 1 minute. From the daily all the way down to the 1 minute. I'm gonna repeat, from the daily all the way down to the 1 minute. I seen that the daily was looking short, so I took my bias for the short, okay? There's liquidity resting. We're on a 4-hour. I see your liquidity. It's at the bottom. Oh, snap. I want to go for that liquidity. Even though it's a no bank day, you know, it's a bank holiday, it is what it is. No news, it is what it is. I'm still going to take this trade. Drop down to a 1 minute. I mean, a 1 hour. We're on a 1 hour. Drop down to a 1 hour. I see that it's rejecting at this 1 hour. We have a rejection right here. On a 1 hour, we have a rejection right here. On a 1 hour, see, it's rejecting. The reason why I'm saying rejection is because of these wicks. The longs don't want to come in. They're drying up. So we're seeing a breakdown, drop, basing, drop, basing, drop. So I'm seeing a pattern of a drop. Look at this. We're breaking down. We're dropping, we're basing, we're dropping, we're basing, we're dropping. I wait for the base to play out, drop down to a 30-minute. We have a 30-minute supply zone. I want to see what happens at the 30-minute supply zone when market opens right here. So we got the supply zone. We have the market open, dropping down to a 15-minute. I'm seeing that the longs don't want to come in. They're just constantly rejecting. I'm seeing that. Also, market opens. I'm looking at this. Boom. We have another block which is rejecting. On the 15-minute, this green candle stopped below this 30-minute. It respected it. Dropped down to a 3-minute. I mean, on the 5-minute, it respected. On the 3-minute, it respected. On the 2-minute, respecting it. Look at it. As y'all can see, it's just constantly rejecting. And we also hitting a what? We're just not pushing up. So I say, you know what? Market open. I see the rejection. I'm getting in long in this play right here. This is when I got in long right here with 2 micros. And we made a profit of 4 something. Oh, 470. And I held that trade all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down. Yeah. So that's the trade. Yeah. All right. If you look at the day chart, let's see. Good morning, chat. Wishing everyone financial freedom. God, yeah, blessings on that. If you look at the day chart, you can see it's getting close to April 7th, lowest low point. Y'all better stay on the point for sure. We're getting closer to that low point. We gotta fill into that. We gotta fill in that liquidity. We have to. The market is looking for more liquidity to fill in. That's all it's looking for. The market can go up or down, but it's looking for liquidity. It's looking to get people in and get people out. So you just gotta figure out where to get in and where to get out based on where the market's going. The market is telling you where it's going. You just gotta read it. And now we're about to consolidate. All right, y'all, look here. I'm about to go ahead and get off. Make sure you rewatch the stream. Rewatch the stream. It ain't that long. It's only an hour long. See how I got into this trade. Follow me on X, where you can see when I took the trade and see where I got in and where I got out. Rewatch the stream. I'm about to get off, y'all. I enjoyed it with y'all. I really enjoyed it. God bless y'all. Remember this. Don't worry about your life. Look at the birds of the sky. Look at the birds of the air. They don't sow or reap, and God still feeds them. They don't worry about food. God still feeds them. So you by worrying would not add another hour to your life. Give it to the Lord always. And another thing, God's power works best when you're weak. Remember that. He does good works in your life when you're down. Remember, his grace is all you need. All you need is his grace. That's all you need alone, and he's going to deliver you. So remember, when you're feeling weak, his power, his grace is going to deliver you through all of that. That's all you need is God. So remember this. Each time, my grace is all you need. My power works best in weakness. God's power works best in weakness. So make sure that you be glad and boast in your weakness, because Christ can work through you through his power of grace. Amen. God bless y'all. I love y'all.